Hello crafters, let's make another orders again with me. Now I started cutting an A4 size of sublimation paper. I have already a design for mugs and heat press machine. I still continuing cutting a design for sublimation. I edited my design in Photoshop and my length 9 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. For now, I don't have any sublimation printer, so I decided to print my files in other shop. I want to shout out the shop It's PhotoCare Think for good printing my files. I am still cutting an A4 size of subli papers for the mugs. And I need to cut total of 25 pieces of subli design for mugs. Looks serious girl. Well, you can do it to finish cutting. Looks like I'm a little bit tired. Still keep going cutting a sublimation paper, but I am a little bit sleepy at this. After I cut off, I need to put the sublimation paper into the mug and tape it. While putting a subli paper in the mug, I keep heat press the mugs in heat machine while waiting the timer done. Still keep doing putting a subli paper in the mugs. Now I put subli paper into the mugs and put the PSTKDD. I peel off some of the mugs after done heat pressing in the machine. Another additional order layout for the mugs ... Now I am assemble the box for the mugs to put inside. Arrange a little bit messy. Now it's time to make a box, and let's packing the mugs and let's put a ribbon in a box that looks so nice. Well, looks amazing when it comes in packing. Thanks you guys for watching my mini vlogs in art gift ideas. I wanted to shout out PhotoCare Design, which I printed my sublimation for. To my valued customer Prince Elia. Thanks so much in trusting. Thank you.